Good morning, my dear students. My name is Preeti Batish. Today, I'll tell you how to write a letter. Students, this will be of 5 marks in the syllabus of Journal English in plus 1 and plus 2. Let's start. Letters are of two types: personal letter, or we can call it informal letter; official letter, or we can call it formal letter. We write the personal letter to father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, friend, or any other person who is known to you. ਅਸੀਂ ਪਰਸਨਲ ਲੈਟਰ ਫਾਦਰ ਨੂੰ, ਮਦਰ ਨੂੰ, ਬ੍ਰਦਰ, ਸਿਸਟਰ, ਅੰਕਲ, ਆਂਟੀ, ਕੋਈ ਫਰੈਂਡ ਜਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਅਜਿਹਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਜਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਹੋ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਲਿਖਦੇ ਹੋ। ਆਫੀਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਲੈਟਰ, ਇਹ ਲੈਟਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਲਿਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਸੀਪਲ, ਟੀਚਰ, ਨਿਊਜ਼ਪੇਪਰ ਦੇ ਐਡੀਟਰ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਂ ਅਫਸਰ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਡਿਪਟੀ ਕਮਿਸ਼ਨਰ, ਕਮਿਸ਼ਨਰ ਆਫ ਮਿਊਨਿਸਪਲ ਕਾਰਪੋਰੇਸ਼ਨ, postmaster, SHO, mayor of the city, manager of a bank ਜਾਂ ਡਿਸਟ੍ਰਿਕਟ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਆਫਿਸਰ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਅਫੀਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਲੈਟਰ ਲਿਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਲੈਟਰਸ ਵੀ ਫਾਰਮਲ ਲੈਟਰ ਦੇ ਅੰਡਰ ਹੀ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਹਾਂ। ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਫਰਮ ਦੇ ਮੈਨੇਜਰ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਦੇ CEO ਨੂੰ ਲੈਟਰ ਲਿਖਣੀ ਹੋਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਲੈਟਰਸ ਦੇ ਅੰਡਰ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਹਨ। Now comes to personal letters. Students, letters can be of two types. Sometimes letters can come along with address or sometimes without address. So if the letter come in your examination with address, then how can you write that letter? Suppose the heading is, you are Rita, you live at house number 2009, sector 9, Chandigarh. Write a letter to your uncle thanking him for the birthday gift that he sent for you. So we will start it like this. First of all, we have to start every letter from the left side of a page. So in the first line, we will start it with the address. So address is already given 2009. So we will write here 2009, comma, sector 9. In the next line, we will write the name of the city that is given, Chandigarh. So we will write Chandigarh. We won't put any comma after the address or after the name of the city. Then leave a blank line. Then after that, write the date. Suppose today is 19th April, so we will write April 19, 2020. So this will be the heading of a letter. Then comes to greetings or salutation. My dear uncle, you are going to write to your uncle, so you can write here dear, my dear uncle. Then leave a blank line. Then start the body of the letter. I am greatly pleased to receive your special gift dash dash dash. So you have to write the body here. When the body will finish here, then leave a blank line again. Your affectionate niece, and in the next line you have to write your name, which is already given, that is Rita. So this will be the subscription or closing of a personal letter. In the last you have to sign. So this is the signature of the sender. If the address is not given, then how can we write a personal letter? Suppose you are Herman, write a letter to your friend who has recovered from dengue and wish him good health. So here only name is given, there is no particular address is given. So we will start it like examination hall dash 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 city, because name of the city is not mentioned in this letter. So after that leave a blank line, then date, then again leave a blank line. My dear friend. So here you are going to write to your friend, so you can write my dear friend, or you can write any of the name like my dear Ritu, my dear Neetu, or any other name, whatever you want to write. Then again leave a blank line. Then start the body of the letter. Yesterday I received a letter from your brother and dash, whatever you want to write here, you can write here. Here, when the body of the letter will finish, leave a blank line again. Then at the end, you have to write your loving friend or yours lovingly. As name is already given, so you can write here Herman, because Herman is already given. If the name won't be given, so then you can write ABC. Same as in official letter. If the address of the sender is given, then we will start from the address. For example, the heading is, imagine you are Renu, you live at house number 11. This is the sign of house number 11, Model Town, Moga. Write a letter to the commissioner of your municipal corporation complaining about the insanitary conditions in your locality. So again, we will start it from the address 11 Model Town, Moga, which is already given to us. Then again leave a blank line, date, then again leave a blank line. Here they have told us to write a letter to the commissioner of your municipal corporation. So the commissioner, municipal corporation, and name of the city is already given. So the name of the city which you will write here, so you have to write it here again. So here you have to write Moga. Then again leave a blank line, then subject. This is mandatory in official letter. कंप्लेंट अगेंस्ट इनसैनिटरी कंडीशन सब्जेक्ट लिखना एक ऑफिशियल लेटर ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. Then again leave a blank line, respected sir. So here in the salutation we will use the word respected because we are going to write this letter to an officer, so we will write respected. But in personal letter we can write my dear uncle, my dear friend. So there you can use the word dear, your dearest, but here you have to write the word respected sir or respected madam. Then again leave a blank line. I would like to draw your attention. So this would be body, whatever you want to write here in 1 or 2 paragraphs. At the end of the body, again leave a blank line, thanking you, yours faithfully, and name which is already given, Renu. So you have to write that name here, Renu. So that would be the signature of the sender. Now if no name or no address is given in official letter, then how to write that letter? Write an application to the principal of your school requesting him to grant you full fee concession and some monetary help out of the student's aid fund. So here no address is given, no name of the city is given, no name of the sender is given. So we will start it like examination hall dash 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 city. Again leave a blank line, date, leave a blank line. They've already told you to write the letter of to the principal. So the principal, here we can write name of any school. So I have written Government Girls Senior Secondary School. You can write any other name also. So XYZ, because name of the city is not given, so we have to write XYZ. Leave a blank line. Then subject, as I have already told, that subject is mandatory, subject is compulsory in an official letter. So subject is full fee concession. Always remember that subject should not be more than 4 to 5 words. So this should be in between 4 to 5 words. This is the theme of the letter. Then after subject, leave a blank line, respected sir or madam. Leave a blank line again. With due respect, I would like to bring to your notice, kind notice. Then again, this is the body of the letter. At the end, along with the body, you can write I shall be highly thankful to you. If you don't want to write that, then leave a blank line. At the end, you can write thanking you, yours faithfully, and again ABC. Or if you will write I shall be highly thankful to you, then after that you will write along with the body of the letter. Then after that, leave a blank line, Yours faithfully. Here name is not given, so I have written ABC, and at the end write name of any of the class. So these were official letters and personal letters. I wish ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਮਝ ਆ ਗਈਆਂ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ। Thank you. Have a nice day.